Here there, in this video I will show you how you can download sleeping dogs on your Windows computer. So first thing first, let's open our browser. Yeah, so you can use any browser you want. I am using Google Chrome. Alright, and once you are inside your browser, search for Steam, and this will be the first result. So open this website. Now as you can see, this is what Steam website looks like. If you want to explore, you can, but in this video we are going to download how to but in this video we are going to show how you can download sleeping dogs on your Windows. So for that, install Steam. Again, install Steam. I have already downloaded it, so you need to download it for the first time. Open folder. Alright, so what we have to do is now install Steam in our device. So press next, choose your language. Alright, for me it's English. Next, choose your direction, destination folder, then install. So this is the installation process for Steam. So once you have installed Steam, this is what Steam look like. So just double click and make sure to create a Steam account. So for the first time, if you are opening Steam, you need to create a Steam account. So it's pretty simple. Just create a Steam account and log into your account. All right. So once you have opened Steam, this is what Steam looks like. All right. Now go for the store here and search for sleeping dogs. And now as you can see here, all the sleeping dogs editions. This is the original one. However, this one is right now, it says this version of sleeping dogs is no longer available. So don't worry. All right, we have the latest one. This is quite same as the old one. This is exactly like the old one, but with better graphics. All right, so this is exactly the old one but with better graphics. So you need to go for this one. All right, this is not the original one, but it is exactly the old one. You get it. So now from here, go to the add to cart and now view my cart. So at this place, what you have to do is continue to payment, and here you need to fill your billing information. And once you have done it, once you have completed your information, and you will find your game somewhere in your library. All right, just click on library. You will find your game somewhere here and just press the install button, and this is how you get sleeping dogs on your Windows computer. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.